This is a quick 360-degree overview of the Black Iron Roller Guide Kit. Everything you need comes right in the box. These roller guides are precision made to meet the demanding needs of bandsaw machines. Each bearing kit is engineered as a direct replacement, ensuring seamless installation with no fitment issues. This isn't just a standard part, it's a significant upgrade and a smart investment in the longevity and performance of your equipment. With this install, you'll get longer blade life, cleaner cuts, and less downtime, which means more cutting time, higher productivity, and a smoother running saw. Black Iron Guide Kits are built tough, built precise, and backed with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.